What's up friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to my this video. In this video I will show you how can freelancers can get clients using LinkedIn. Before starting this video, subscribe my YouTube channel Raju Bhadra and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos and new updates inside my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing. So if you want to make money by affiliate marketing, then you can subscribe my YouTube channel and you will get a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make over 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation and check my video description. I am Raju Bhadra, affiliate marketer of legendary marketer, ClickBank and many other marketplaces, and I am making $1,000 per month by affiliate marketing. At the end of this video, I will show you how can I make this $1,000 per month by legendary marketer and many other marketplaces. Now I will show you two ways that can help you to get unlimited clients using LinkedIn. LinkedIn is one of the best social media for establishing your business. You can establish your business, you can get huge clients, you can get online jobs, and you can use in various ways in LinkedIn in online business. If you have skills in marketing or any freelancing skill like writing articles, graphics design, software development, anything else, if you have skill in online any jobs or online marketing, then you can easily use LinkedIn. But if you don't have any skills, any working skills or any other skills, then you never make money using LinkedIn, or you never get clients using LinkedIn. So you have to be skilled first using LinkedIn. No scammy ways or bulky ways can get clients to you using LinkedIn. So you have to be skilled if you want to use LinkedIn and get clients and make money using LinkedIn. So way number one, sharing your skill. If you want to get overnight success inside LinkedIn, then it's not possible. You have to share your skill day after day inside LinkedIn. Suppose you are an article writer or an graphics designer or an app developer, then you can share your skill in LinkedIn. Like Facebook, you have to use LinkedIn in daily basis. You have to post here in daily basis. You have to share your skill inside LinkedIn, and day by day your community will be growing, your connection will be growing. And if you can grow your connection, if you can grow your community, then you will get unlimited clients using LinkedIn. So you have to share your skill as your site. Suppose you are an article writer, then you have to share your various writing skill. What can you write? It may be a white paper, it may be sales copy, it may be a social media post. So you have to expose your skill inside LinkedIn. Then you can write article inside LinkedIn about your skill. So you have to share your helpful content for the other people. Then your connection will grow day by day. So you have to time here. You have to invest your time here. Now, way number 2, it's direct contact. Inside LinkedIn, a lot of groups, a lot of pages here, and you have to join those groups and pages, and you have to build your connection. Suppose you see here, it's a group freelancing jobs. You see here 1624 followers under this freelancing job. Now you can follow this, and you can see all the followers. You can you can grow your connection using this type of groups, this type of community. Then you have to post here, you have to see, you have to analysis about other marketers, other freelancers. Then you can day by day grow your account, and you can directly communicate with those members of the inside this Instagram. Then you see another um, page here. You can follow it, and you can get a lot of members inside here. You have to connect here, and you can directly contact with those peoples. You see here another freelancing, and see more arrow. A lot of, you can like these pages, and you can grow your connection, and you can directly contract with those people. You can share your skills, what can you do, or what can you get the services. So you can easily get your clients using LinkedIn by these 2 ways, but it will take time to grow. If you want to get it overnight, then it's not possible. You have to invest your time to grow your LinkedIn, to share your skills. So if you can grow your Instagram, you can grow your LinkedIn, then day by day your client will be growing as your connection. So if you use these 2 ways to get more and more clients using LinkedIn. So guys, if this video helped you, then thumbs up my video and share it with the other people. And if you have any question, then comment in the comment box. And if you first inside my YouTube channel, then subscribe my YouTube channel. It's an educational YouTube channel based on affiliate marketing, and you will get a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. And I am uploading videos in daily basis, a lot of info inside my YouTube channel. And if you want to make big money like 10,000 per month, then check my number on recommendation and check my video description. Now see here, it's Legendary Marketer, an online marketing educational platform, and you can grow your online business successfully for a lifetime. Suppose you are a newbie or an expert and you don't know from where you should start your online journey, and if you want to run your online journey successfully for a lifetime, then Legendary Marketer is the best training platform I have ever seen. I am a member of Legendary Marketer, I am an affiliate of Legendary Marketer, and I am making $1,000 per month by Legendary Marketer. And it's one of my income stream, and I am making money from JBQ, ClickBank, and Enter Institute, another high ticket training program, and Legendary Marketer teaches me how to make this big money. A lot of marketing strategies, traffic tricks, everything inside this Legendary Marketer, and you will get a lot of info inside Legendary Marketer. And after joining this Legendary Marketer, it takes $7, and after joining this Legendary Marketer, you will get 15 days challenge, and you have to complete all this 15 days challenge, and a coach will be appointed for you to solve every problem, and all the secrets, all the tricks, all the marketing strategy, everything will be provided by this course, and it will help you to long run your online journey. So guys, if you want to make big money from online, then join Legendary Marketer and be a legendary like me. So guys, by these two ways, sharing your skills and direct contact, by these two ways you can get unlimited clients using LinkedIn. So guys, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and punch the notification bell. Take action, get results.